said they're doing construction over here, fixing the road. Let's see if they respect our rights, since they work for the city, you know? One wave to me. We'll see how they're. Saying something.
Just being nosy and wondering what you were filming.
Oh, just taking some photography.
Yeah. Doing it for like a school or a class or?
No.
I'm okay with it. Yeah. Like I said, I'm just being nosy. Pretty cool stuff though, right? The guys are getting nervous. They think they're getting in trouble. What's your name? My name's Todd. If you get some cool stuff, send it to me. I'd like to check it out. Yeah? Do you have a name? Alright. Be safe, sir.
First Amendment?
No, I do.
Oh, okay.
Remember when I came up here when you were recording earlier? I said I was just being nosy? Hey, do you know anything about littering? That's not very nice to throw shit on the ground, bro.
Go away, man, go away.
Mother Earth. You're just littering all over her. Kind of a dick move. Public sidewalk, I can be here.
they don't know. They don't know. Somebody. How does he say he knows? He doesn't know. Bullshit. I think. All this because of a camera. They're doing this at 1 o'clock in the night. Noise ordinance.
Heading Center, Unit 415, man with a gun, industrial in Alameda. Suspect not white, wearing a blue shirt, tan vest, tan pants, filming a construction crew. Suspect has a gun in a holster under his vest. Code 203, RD 158. Central units at 129, 129. Additional on your 415 man with a gun, industrial in Alameda. It's now code 3. Continuing, it's now code 3. The suspect possibly suffers from mental illness, walking back and forth, armed with a gun in a holster in behind his vest. It's now code 3, incident 3, on RD 159.
X37, shows back 929 from MDC.
It's 1 X37 code 3 from MDC to Industrial in Alameda.
21 shows back in 29 from Central Station.
41 code 3 Central Station to Industrial in Alameda.
Oh my God, they called the cops. Look at this, guys. They said I had a gun. Look at this, guys. Hey, call SGV, call SGV. What the fuck? Man, fuck you. Look at this, guys. They said I had a gun. This is for me. Wow. Fucking liars. What the fuck, you fucking bitch? Fucking lying over here. Look at this, guys. Wow.
Hey, look at somebody called on you. Just do me a favor. Face the fence. Let us talk to you real quick, all right?
This is fucking bullshit, man.
Face the fence. Face Face away from us. Put your hands on top of your head. Don't move.
It's a taser. You're violating my rights.
No, you're not.
Yeah, you are, man.
Stay right there. Don't move. Don't
You don't have probable cause.
Don't reach for the taser.
Don't touch
okay?
me, man. You guys know who I am, sir. But they're lying to you. This is fucking bullshit. You put them in handcuffs. Wow.
Hey, look at. Do me a favor, man. Somebody called on you. Just do me a favor. Face the fence. Let us talk to you real quick, all right?
This is fucking bullshit, man.
Face the fence. Face away from us. Put your hands on top of your head. Don't move.
It's a taser. You're violating my rights. Yeah, you are, man.
Stay right there. Don't move.
You don't have probable cause. Don't touch me, man. You guys know who I am, sir.
Yeah, but the construction workers don't, man. They think that you have a gun.
Well, they're lying to you. This is fucking bullshit. You put them in handcuffs?
Okay, well, that's because they called.
Oh, I'm gonna sue you guys. You guys are fucked.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, it's code 4 Industrial in Alameda.
You can only put somebody in handcuffs if you have reasonable suspicion or probable cause of committing a crime. What crime do you have of me committing?
On you saying that you have a gun and you're filming them back and forth. You have mental illness and you're gonna pull the gun.
I don't care what they say, man.
Well, that's what they're calling on you for that.
No, he said, what am I filming? I'm like, I didn't answer him at first. You know, I'm just doing a First Amendment. And he got mad.
Okay.
And he filmed me back.
Okay.
And then he's over there lying to you guys saying I have a gun when it's a taser.
Okay. All right. Just
So why you putting me in cuffs?
because we didn't know you had a gun or a taser.
Bro, it doesn't matter what people say. Dispatch has to ask appropriate questions. And you guys come and investigate.
Dispatch said that you had a gun as well.
So if somebody says they have a gun, you're just gonna put handcuffs on?
Yeah, we don't know.
You can obviously see I don't have nothing, bro.
Now that we're close, yeah, you're right. We could see that's a taser from far
You know,
away.
normally I don't fucking, my shirt is fucking small so it doesn't go over it. But yeah, it's a taser.
That's a taser as
It's a
well, right?
taser, man, yeah.
You mind if I pull it up?
Go ahead. I have one right here in the vest too, sir.
Like we told you, man. They
But you can ask me, why are you putting me in handcuffs?
Because I don't know if you have a gun or a taser. It looked like a gun to me.
All right, just take me out of handcuffs, let me go. Or take me to jail, I don't care. Fucking bullshit. First time in handcuffs, but not the first time arrested.
What'd you do?
Hey, Martinez.
What's up?
Look at these boys, what are they doing to me?
I don't know. Apparently they're calling on you.
Gosh, you guys know me.
I know. Apparently construction's calling on you.
You need to talk to him, tell him he's lying. What does that mean? Oh, somebody has...
They're meeting.
Okay, let me say this. So when somebody says they have a gun, dispatch has to say, is it in his hand or is he carrying it? You know, you don't just say, well, that can mean a bunch of things.
Okay. But they said you were carrying the firearm.
But when you guys come up, you see you didn't even ask me, is it a taser or a gun or anything? You just come up, you know? I get it's for your safety, but you can ask,
Okay.
you know?
Well, I'm asking now.
Yeah, but you treated me like a criminal for nothing, man.
Well, we have to do
And these
our
cuffs are fucking tight. I want a supervisor, name and
Supervisor's here right now.
name and badge number, in case I want to follow up. So
Hey, they just gotta make sure for their safety.
I know.
They called on you. We're just showing up to see who's telling the truth, who's not, you know?
But you guys have to do it the right way, you know.
What's the right way?
And don't touch my camera. It's a violation of the law if you turn it off. I know. I'm just saying, bro. Of course I'm gonna be mad. I'm not gonna be all like fucking happy. I'm surprised you guys didn't shoot me. I've done this in other departments before, well, a long time ago. That's why I don't open carry it like this. And you know what? They never put me in handcuffs. They never did any of this. They asked me. But I guess LAPD is different.
My supervisor just got here and I just briefed them.
Okay.
You know what the call came out.
Yeah.
From a distance, it looks like a
I need
taser.
a supervisor, name and badge
he's
numbers.
here. So I'm just
Okay.
letting you know what
All right.
I told him.
Okay.
That the radio call
Yeah.
said man with the vest, a blue shirt had a gun.
Yeah.
We come here, we confirm, we open the
Yeah. He put it back?
and we confirm that it's a taser.
Oh, okay.
That we confirm that it's a taser. So
Okay.
I already told my supervisor it's not a gun.
I know. I want
It's
to name
taser.
and badge
So
number.
he's coming right now. Right?
Okay.
Just give me 1 second.
All right, man.
boss?
All right, okay.
What's your name so I don't know exactly what your name is? Just give me your first name and your last
Troy.
name.
Troy. Yeah. You're not getting my ID either. If you don't have probable cause of me committing a crime, I'm not getting nothing. That's the Fourth Amendment. Sick.
Why are you mad at us? We didn't
Huh?
call on you.
I'm not mad at you. I know, but how you guys treat me?
right here.
Come on, man.
Hey, Troy. How's it going? I'm Sergeant Carvin. How can I help you?
Nothing. These guys are treating me like a criminal for nothing, man.
Okay, so let me explain what happened. So we got a radio call, code 3, high priority call.
Yeah.
That there's somebody with a gun here.
But what does that mean? That can mean anything.
Well, the call came out. It said it looked like a 9mm.
Doing what?
With a gun.
What? Aiming it, or is it carrying?
Carrying.
Well, how come dispatch doesn't ask the appropriate questions?
No, they did. That's exactly what they said.
And how come when these officers come up, they don't ask anything?
Well, because we had the information that you had a gun. Obviously, it's not a gun.
Right.
So they have to.
That's what I'm saying. When they pull up, if they see it's a taser, why the handcuffs?
The handcuffs was to detain you pending.
I know you guys always do this. All right, just let me go then. Let me go.
But do you understand why they detained you?
Yes and no.
Okay. Anything else I can do for you?
Yeah, I need your name and badge number and everybody's.
Sure. Okay.
I need it. I'm gonna follow up on this, maybe.
Okay. Let's get something.
Oh, these cuffs are tight, man.
We can unhook them. Man.
Fuck.
Right, but as long as you understand, we got to.
Yeah.
Here, you know. Just hang on to it until we're done.
No, I'm not a threat, man. No harm.
It's just for your safety.
I know, man. You know what, Sergeant? Normally I have a bigger shirt to cover it, but I guess it's showing a little bit. So. It's a taser, brother.
I mean, you can understand why people are scared these days, you know?
Nah, I don't. Yeah. Everybody's in fear now. Nobody should be feared, you know? Dang. Our business card and name and badge number.
Yeah, you got it, bro.
Yeah.
Who's do you want?
The one that arrested me. Yeah, you, the sergeant, and then the one that put me in handcuffs.
Okay, cool. Who put me in handcuffs?
Okay.
Me. Manning, 25850.
Ah, look at that. Why'd you put it on so tight, man?
You got thick wrist.
I still love you. I'm not yelling at you. I'm yelling at who put me in handcuffs. Oh, man.
We got you, man. We'll take care of the business card for you.
So go talk to the guy who made the false 911 call. Yeah.
Right now.
False 911 call. Fuck you, bro. Shame on you. Whoever made the call. No, he was mad, bro. He was mad because I didn't answer him. You know, I'm doing a First Amendment audit. You guys know. I'm gonna go cop watching now. I saw this. I'm like, hey, let me do a quick audit, you know. He got mad. He didn't like, you know. He actually filmed me back, and then, you know, he got mad for whatever reason. I didn't even say anything. He went over there and called the cops.
You guys are good, man.
Yeah, you guys are good. Code 4. Back to work. Look at all these cops for nothing.
Sorry, I'll see you later, please.
Serious, sir?
Ah, man. Fuckers put me in handcuffs, man. Tight, too.
Alright, Troy. So, you know.
Imagine being in those cuffs for an hour. Yeah.
Our names,
Okay.
designation, today's date, time, the incident number, the radio call is for a man with a gun.
Yeah.
We detained.
But you guys violated my rights because you know it's a taser.
No,
You know what I'm saying?
We gotta do
I know you're saying you're coming up, we think it's a gun, but what I'm saying is you're coming over here, you see it's not a gun, it's a taser, but you still initiate that. You know, that's what I don't get.
You know,
that's what I don't
understand. We have to do our investigation. That's why we detained you, a man with a gun.
Yeah.
We don't know if it's real or not.
I know, man. At least you didn't put me in the car for 30
Like I
minutes.
said, anybody can say it's a fake until we do our investigation, then we determine it's not real. Then we let you go out of the cuffs, nothing.
And then when we leave, I'll put the taser back into your holster.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead and put it, man.
And I guess it's just...
If somebody wants to harm me, they'll do it.
Alright, Troy, anything else you need, man?
Nah, man.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm gonna put it in, just don't get it.
Yeah, I know, man. Don't be scared, brother.
Alright, so have a good night.
Yeah, I wish I could have a better night. Damn, that's the first time being put in handcuffs. They handcuffed me, guys, and everything. After I told them it's a fucking taser, look at that. Ah, fuck. That I did not expect that. It's fucking bullshit. Man, shame on you. Fuck you, fucker. Over there lying to the cops saying I have a gun. Why don't you say I'm carrying it? They think I'm fucking aiming at shooting people. All you bitches back to work. You don't know about the First Amendment? You work for the fucking city.
What gives you the rights?
Huh?
What gives you the rights?
Shut up. I don't want to talk to you.
Yeah, I don't want to talk.
All you guys are bitches.
I don't talk to you piece of shit.
You're a piece of shit. call log. These guys see me all the time and they do this stuff. Sick. If you guys know who I am, you still do this. And don't worry, I can't see the computer anyway, man.
Doesn't matter.
Sick ass. Nah, don't shake his hand. Fuck him. Y'all some bitches. You see me all the time. You know it's a taser and you still treat me that way. Fucking assholes. It's not like they don't know me. Man, fuck you. Fuck you. Stupid. Yeah, back to work. Look at this. They called the whole LAPD out here. 10 cops for nothing. Sick ass fools, man. Man, that's some fucking bullshit, man. Wow. All right, Martinez.
I'll see you later.
Yeah. Sick. Fucking violating rights. And then they say, why I get mad. There's a fucking reason to be mad. Putting me in handcuffs, treating me like a criminal. For nothing. Dang. You fucking pussy, fuck you.